Why do you make that noise?
It is the custom of my people when we are in distress.
It is also the custom of your people to listen to the wishes of their captain.
Yes.
Then, as captain of the Starship Enterprise, I ask you not to make that sound.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Well, now that's cleared up. Let's